be on the road at 11 o'clock. That'll wake up the whole neighborhood, my God. Yes, sir. We're gonna do the entire adventure home, guys. Just like on YouTube. Like, let's go. I need some content to post, you know. So like when I'm not riding, I'm just gonna put up some content. So here we go.
Right here we weren't talking because we saw someone with their phone out, so they're recording us. I'm like, oh no.
Guys, got a big tower here. There's Gavin. Gavin, how fast can you go? Going pretty fast. Woo! Speed wobbles, oh man. I got speed wobbles with one hand, oh my God. Just trying to catch up. We're gonna zoom! Oh, right, shoot. Let's go, guys. We just made it to my house. Let's go. What an adventure.
We made it back, guys. Thanks for watching. Woohoo!
We did it. Woo! We made it home on the pit bike. If I had that thing, well, that cops would definitely be calling us. But yeah, we made it. Thanks you guys for watching. And like and subscribe. Alright, y'all.